Hey, welcome back. So as you know, I haven't done a video in over a week, so I just want to get that straight across. So yeah, work has been a little bit rough, a little challenging, so I put my focus on that more importantly. So that's what I had to do, and I'm still there, but you know, today's Saturday, so I decided to take a day off. And then on top of that, I started my summer semester, and I'm taking a Java course, and I've been reading the textbook and doing my homework and stuff like that. So, you know, that's another reason why I kind of didn't post a video on YouTube. But here I am today, and we're going to take a new direction. So we're going to start doing HTML, and we're going to start integrating CSS as well. So we can get past this phase of testing and not testing. I'm doing this basic JavaScript stuff and actually start, and then maybe we can start doing some actual content on the web or developing like little mini stuff, I guess, just for you to get a flavor of what it is. But no more talking. Let's do this. All right, so for HTML. So HTML is just pretty standard markup language. So, and then obviously with HTML we create websites. And then usually in the past when we did videos and then I had some HTML page done, I usually already had it made. But this time I'm gonna type it out, and then because this is just the basic format, and as for me, the faster you get familiar with this, the faster and easy it is to fly just to the basic parts. And then I don't know, the more you practice, the better you get. So right now I'm gonna open up empty HTML. I'm gonna type up a quick demo, a basic HTML format, and then we'll talk about it a little bit, and I could talk about what we can do within this HTML, like how to do a simple CSS and a simple JavaScript in the HTML file. So I'm gonna do that, just a brief little example, and not get too much into it. We already did JavaScript, but I could show you the inline style just a little bit. So let's see. So we're gonna start typing. We're gonna start with the doc type. So give me a second. I'm gonna type this, and then we're gonna put every element tag that you open will have a closing element tag with a / as you see right here. And then since this is the head element where the title is, we're gonna close this head the same way, you see, with the /. Put that in there. And then we're gonna put in the body. This is in the body most of the time. That's mostly all the content will go. The actual content that the end user sees on the actual monitor. So, and here we can say a couple messages. And then, remember in the past when when I wrote just a basic format just to get the HTML page ran so we could get to the JavaScript. Anyways, but we're gonna put which is not, just putting that in there. And then let's say put HTML. Just simple stuff like that. we're gonna close the body of the HTML, and we're gonna close the HTML tag on the bottom. Okay, so we're gonna save it really fast, and then we're gonna run it on the browser, and then we're gonna see how that stuff runs. All right, so this computer is full of stuff, so I'm running out of hard drive space, so it's really slow. So, anyways, we got the page up and running. So as you can see right here, this is Nick's first web page, and then today is the first day of HTML. Now, let's say I want to change this font because I don't know, it looks ridiculous. I'm going to show you like a quick, brief intro to this thing called Inline CSS, and we're going to get more into that. But what you can do here is within the body, you can add a style tag and a closing style tag, and then in here we're gonna be able to inside these blocks right here, we're gonna be able to do some inline CSS. Let me show you. So if I was to put H1 here, what up, son? Inside this H1, you can let's add a color. And let's say blue, just for demonstration's sake, I guess. See, blue, and then we're gonna put the P. We'll put color red. We'll save it. There it goes, red text. I mean, we can add another sentence. Matter of fact, no, let's go over these elements right here, these heading elements. Okay, so now for the headings, there are 6 different kind of headings, right? So in here, what we would like to do is, well, I'm going to type up all 6 headings so you can see the difference, because they're all different sizes of fonts. And heading, all it is just the heading of on a website. So if we put a H2, it'll be much smaller. And we'll close the H2 tag the same way. And let's do it H3. Oops. Don't save that. That should all come up. And you can see that every number tag that increases, the fonts get smaller on the heading. And then I can add a blue color, so all of them too. I can put them in the same, within the same line within the CSS, where there's a comma, and then H2, and then H3 as well. Save it, run it, and then they all should turn blue, just like that. So this right here is just a brief introduction to HTML, and then on the next one we're gonna, I don't know, write a little story or something. I don't know. I'll show you some more elements. Oh, by the way, this one right here, where today is the first day, this is a P element. It just means paragraph. Write another paragraph here. same thing. You always close it with a // If we save it, you get another paragraph. The reason why it came out automatically red is because it's a P element, and I use that P to call my CSS to give it a color red. Now for the CSS, it's just inline style. I'm not gonna go too deep into it, not yet, because I'm not covering CSS. I'm focusing on HTML, but I just wanted to give you a quick thing. Oh, by the way, one more thing. Now, if you want to put, I said I was gonna put JavaScript. You can put JavaScript in here as well. So, and all you got to do is let's put it down here. And what you do, you just the same thing like you did with style, but this time you do script. So instead of like doing the script source and then, you know, the way we typed it up in the past, and then we had a separate file and then we had to call that file. Well, not in this case, because we could do it directly from in here. And I'm gonna show you how that's done. So same thing, you put script, but this time you're gonna close it as well. I mean, you're not gonna put anything in here. You're just gonna close it immediately, and then here you can start doing some JavaScript. Okay, we're gonna do super simple JavaScript. Maybe 2 lines, 3 lines code, nothing more. So let's say I'm gonna say my name. I'm just showing you an example that you can do JavaScript inside HTML file. Yeah, fuck it. And then I'm gonna log it in the log or in the console. I'm gonna say, and then concatenate, and then add space, and then say, and close it down, save it. That should be it. Here we go. So let's go inspect this. Let's inspect this. And there it is. My name is Nicholas Santiago. Quick JavaScript. Just show you that you could do inline styles within the HTML file.